Hi guys, this is PK Jha, physics teacher. I am just arranging this class for 12th standard. So I hope only 12th standard can be benefited from this my particular class. One point before starting the class, I would like to share with you. Are you afraid from mistake? Yes, sure. I hope so. But what is mistake? Mistake is a process of learning. And in my opinion, mistake is one of the best teacher if you learn it, if you remember it. If you forget, it means that your mistake never leave you. If you want to remove the mistake, it is very important that mistake should be always calculated in your mind. Don't be afraid from mistake. Every person can create mistake. In the world, there is no any person who is free from mistake. If he is a person, if he is a man, it means that that person always create mistake. And the best person is who can just remove the mistake by good works, by the correction. If you can't able to correct your mistake, it means that you like mistake. Is it true? No, never. It never true. Now guys, just to enter in the syllabus of 12th standard. 12th standard is started from electrostatics. Electrostatics is a subject, is a part of physics in which we study electricity at rest. What are the examples in which you can understand that electrostatics is in rest? When you writing by the pen on your white page, it means what? Here is electrostatic force. Your color ink just attract the paper, and that's why you can read it very easily. Second point, obviously now this is rainy season. Number of times you have heard that thundering in the sky. This is also example of electrostatics. Spray paint on car, it is a best example of electrostatics. So these are the some examples which is already spread around you by which you can learn about electrostatics. Before studying anything, any topic, any subject, it is very important to make it easy. If you want to make it easy, then it is very important that that portion must be separated into a small part. So now dear students, comes together and we just going to separate in 5 equal parts this electrostatics, particularly when which we are just going to discussing about the electrostatics. What are these parts? First is electric charge. It is also electric force, because if there is charge, then force is already there. The nature of force may be different, maybe attractive or maybe repulsive, but where is charge, it means force is there. So first part is what? Electric charge or electric force. The unit of electric force is what? The unit of electric force is Newton, and the unit of electric charge is Coulomb. Now second point. Second point is electric field. What is the unit of electric field? Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. This is electric field. Now third is electric potential. The unit of electric potential is volt. Now fourth is electric flux. Electric flux. The unit of electric flux is volt into meter. Now fifth is electric capacitance. The unit of electric capacitance is farad. So these 5 quantities against their unit, against these quantities I already discussed about their units. In every board examination, this question must be from these portions, that which quantity has which unit. This is necessary in every examinations. So electrostatics can be classified or can be separated into 5 parts. Now afterwards we start one by one part gradually. First part is electric charge. Do you know what is charge? If suppose that if any person asks you that what is charge? Charge is an intrinsic property Intrinsic means what? Pure. Charge is an intrinsic property due to which any matter shows electric behavior or electric attraction or repulsion. What are the electric behaviors? Electric behaviors, because we know that on the basis of force there are two types of force. By its nature, like charge always repels to each other and unlike charge always attracts to each other. It is very common. I think that from 8th standard you have already learned about these points very easily. Okay. After that,